What I wish I knew about solar energy before I saw my first electricity bill. Let's dive in with IncreaseSolar.com. Solar energy isn't just for the eco-warriors anymore, it's for the savvy savers too. Imagine slashing your electric bills, cashing in on Texas rebates, and pocketing federal tax credits. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with IncreaseSolar.com, it's a reality. We're your Texas solar experts, navigating rebates and incentives to maximize your savings. Imagine generating your own electricity and saying goodbye to unpredictable energy prices. Plus, you'll boost your home's value and contribute to a cleaner planet. Our team makes the switch hassle-free, guiding you every step of the way with personalized service and transparent advice. Ready to join the solar movement and save big? Visit IncreaseSolar.com today and let's brighten your future together. Remember, with IncreaseSolar.com, you're not just saving money, you're making a difference.